I really, oh my God. Oh, yeah, John told me. Yeah, John, he told me that you were scared. I have some video, Bo. I have video. I will try to edit that one, and yes, like the whole journey. And oh my God, maybe because very long distance. It's like we travel like 5 to 6 hours in one way, just for one way. And yes, we got flat tired. That's a long drive on the bike. Yeah. Our we got flat tired. We got flat tire. Good thing we just